Mazda infotainment systems, particularly those using Mazda Connect in models like the CX-5, CX-9, Mazda 3, and Mazda 6, have experienced reboot loop issues since around 2017. A reboot loop means the system continuously restarts itself, preventing access to navigation, audio controls, and vehicle settings. The main causes fall into three categories: software glitches, hardware problems, and user-induced errors. Software glitches include corrupted firmware or conflicts with apps like Spotify or Apple CarPlay, which can clash with the system's operating software. Hardware issues may involve a faulty car multimedia unit, loose electrical connections, or overheating, often triggered by battery replacements causing electrical surges. User-induced errors, such as improper manual resets without backing up data, can worsen existing corruption in the system. If your Mazda infotainment system is stuck in a reboot loop, there are several steps you can take to address and resolve the issue. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds to clear temporary cache. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to fully reset the CMU. Ensure your firmware is up to date through over-the-air updates. Check manually via the infotainment screen or Mazda's app. Prevent future issues by updating firmware regularly, avoiding too many apps, and ensuring stable power supply. For severe cases, visit a dealer for master reset or CMU replacement under warranty, especially for CAN bus issues like error U2100.